What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. So the other day I realized I lost my seat screw on Lola, my Road Glide here. And then upon further inspection, I noticed that the seat nut that the screw screws into was gone too. So I went over to Harley, I picked up the new seat screw, got the seat nut, and I just wanted to make this little video to show you how to install it, because especially if you have a bike with a longer fender like this, you might look at it and say, how am I going to get this in without taking the back tire off? But there's a little trick, and I'm going to show you that today. So how the seat nut works, it goes in from under the fender like this, and then it has a little plastic washer that holds it in place. The trick is you're going to get a zip tie, one about 10 or 11 inches long. Put it through the bottom of the seat nut like this, and we're going to use this to fish the seat nut up through the hole in the fender and get it in place. You're going to have to line up this little tab with the little notch in the hole right there. All right, so let's do it. We're going to come in from around here, and it might take a bit to fish it up and find the fender hole. Oh, there it is. That wasn't hard at all. So we're going to pull this up till it's in the hole, and then kind of work it around until, see that little tab came through the notch in the hole? Then we're going to take our plastic washer that comes with the seat nut, slide it in place. And there you go. Your new seat nut is installed. Now we just have to drop the zip tie back out. Pull it out from under the fender. Put our seat on, put the screw in, and we're done. Get our new screw. And there you go. Our new seat screw and seat nut are in. Thanks for watching Jersey Nick Moto. Hope this video helped. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. It helps out a lot. See you in the next one. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later.